babes, what's up and welcome to my channel. This is Kendy Jane Beauty, and Santa Claus is coming to someone's houses this month with a premium box, and I have all the details of one variation. You are going to be so amazed by what is in this box. Plus, I also have 2 confirmed sneak peeks for January's premium 2020 box. Are y'all ready for all of this? You know, I said Santa Claus is coming to town. It's more like Joe Martin's coming to town with boxy charm. So before we begin, anyone who is not a charmer, you can still get in on this base box. All you have to do is click the link under my video. You will receive the Tarte Be You Naturally palette, and all you have to do at checkout is put in the code JOLLYCHARM. You can even copy and paste it under my video, and it'll be really easy. So, are you ready to see what's in that first variation of the premium box? Here we go. Your first item in this variation is the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasure palette. Of course, this is a limited edition palette. It won't be around forever, and it sells for $50. Our second item in this variation is the Skin Fix Eczema Plus Dermatitis Face Balm. This sells for $28 for 0.48 of an ounce. This is a concentrated balm to soothe facial dermatitis, eczema, and dry skin patches, leaving skin soothed and protected. This is a great product to have on board during the winter. Product number 3 is from Glow Recipe. It's that Watermelon Pink Moisturizer. This is a lightweight moisturizer ideal for oily to combination skin that is formulated with vitamin-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and soothing botanicals to boost radiance and glow, which also layers perfectly as a soothing serum for dry skin. So if you use this, if you have oily or combination skin, you can use it as a moisturizer. I have very dry skin. A friend gave me a bottle of this, and I used it before I put on my moisturizer as a serum. And this sells for $39. And I just want to put a side note here. Last night I did a video, which I will link up above, that had a product that was probably going to be in the premium box. It's not confirmed yet. And I wasn't sure if it was this watermelon moisturizer or the concentrated sleeping mask. Well, I guess you can see where I'm going with this. It's not the moisturizer. It is the sleeping mask. So if you want to check that out, you can watch that video. Now, our 5th product in the premium box is from Kat Von D. It's the Cake Pencil Eyeliner. And this sells for $19, and I'm pretty sure we'll get it in Trooper Black, which is an ultra black. This is an easy-to-use vegan eye pencil with super creamy glide, instant rich color, and waterproof long wear. There's the key, waterproof. And I like getting high-end eyeliners in the boxes because it's hard to come up with $20, $25 to get a really good eyeliner. And what's different about this one? 1, it's waterproof, and 2, it's vegan. Next, we have from Laneige, the Water Sleeping Mask. This is for all skin types, including sensitive. It's an overnight moisture recharging gel mask that quickly absorbs while you sleep to deeply hydrate the skin. And this will help your skin for dryness, dullness, and uneven texture, and of course fine lines and wrinkles. I cannot wait to try this. I will be sleeping with a Laneige mask and my Laneige lip mask. That will be a sight to see. Next and lastly, our 6th product is a brand that is new to BoxyCharm. It is Basic Beauty, and it's the Glowy AF Wet Glow Trio. It looks like a highlighter palette that sells for $30. Glowy AF is a versatile multi-use highlight designed to be worn over makeup for a blinding, light-catching glow. Dab it on with your finger or your favorite brush across your brow line, collarbone, eyes, cheeks, or lips. The jelly texture is perfect for precise application. It applies wet and dries down, holding the pigment in place. This wet trio features 3 new shades of ultra pigmented jelly highlight. Here's a picture of the entire group of products. What do y'all think, ladies? Did you get in? Did you get the premium? Are you getting this box? I'm proud to say I got 1 box. So I'm very, very happy about it. I'm hoping I get one in PR, but we'll have to wait and see. And I want to say Joe did do a little question thing a few days ago. He was on a boat and he said, the question was, why did some get off the wait list in December and some didn't? Joe said he hopes to be able to move everyone off the list by January 2020. So it'll be 1 month more. And he said the reason everyone is not getting in and there is a wait list, he said he didn't want to compromise the type of products he put into the box. You know, he could add everybody that wants to be in, then throw in just any old products, but he doesn't want to do that. He wants to make sure it is a box he's proud of. These are my words. These words are my words. He said, I think what he's saying, he wants quality over quantity, and he keeps increasing each month till he's going to have enough. A lot of these other boxes that are not as good as BoxyCharm just throw anything in there to make a box with 5 products in it. Who wants a little compact mirror as a full-size product? I surely don't. So I know a lot of y'all know who I'm talking about, but hopefully I can get my daughters in January for the January box also. So that leads us into what are the January sneak peeks that are out for the premium box in January 2020. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys. So here we go. Okay, the first sneak peek is one you've seen before and that you're hoping for. It's the Too Faced Palm Springs Dream Palette. This sells for $45. This palette is a Palm Springs inspired palette of fresh cocktail colors and dazzling party-ready finishes. The warm, sparkling shades add a multi-dimensional glow to any look. I love the packaging. I love Too Faced packaging. It's so bougie. Now next, I don't know if it's a variation, a choice, he will let us know. Our next item is the Too Faced Sugar Peach Face and Eye Palette. You can use it wet and dry for limitless looks. It sells for $44. These 4 pearlescent powders deliver one swipe payoff, seamless wear, and treat your face and eyes to new levels of radiant dimension. Use palette wet or dry to create limitless looks. Dry for a soft glow and wet for an intensified luminous finish. Ooh, both of them are so beautiful, and I love the outer packaging. Too Faced is just one of my favorite brands. It really is. So, and like I said, I don't know if this is going to be the choice for premium January 2020 or if this is going to be a variation item. He will let us know. I want to remind everyone that if you want to upgrade to Boxy Lux this month, they're still offering that Natasha Denona product. You can get one of 2 things. One is the Liquid Body Glow. The other is the pressed highlighter for our face and body and everywhere else. These are beautiful products. All you have to do is get in on your account and then upgrade to Boxy Lux. Really easy. So Remember, tomorrow we are having that live program at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. We will be picking for our November winners of the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star palettes and products. So I hope y'all all can make it. Please remember to share my video and let other people know that I do these sneak peeks. I really appreciate it. And until I see you guys on the next video, take care. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
What child is this who lay to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping, whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping? This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing.